Hi. Fruits are nature's ready-made snack packed with vitamins, fiber, and other nutrients that support a healthy diet. Which is also generally low in calories and high in fiber, which may help you lose weight. In fact, eating fruit is linked to lower body weight and a lower risk of diabetes, high blood pressure, cancer, and heart disease. Here are 5 of the best fruits to eat for weight loss. 1. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a cross between a pomelo and an orange and is commonly associated with dieting and weight loss. Half a grapefruit contains just 39 calories but provides 65% of the reference daily intake (RDI) for vitamin C. Red varieties also provide 28% of the RDI for vitamin A. What's more, grapefruit has a low glycemic index (GI), which means it releases sugar into your bloodstream more slowly. A low GI diet may aid weight loss and weight maintenance, though the evidence is limited. In a study in 85 obese people, eating grapefruit or drinking grapefruit juice before meals for 12 weeks resulted in a decrease in calorie intake, a 7.1% decrease in body weight, and improved cholesterol levels. Additionally, a recent review found that grapefruit consumption reduced body fat, waist circumference, and blood pressure compared to control groups. While grapefruit can be eaten on its own, it also makes a great addition to salads and other dishes. 2. Stone fruits. Stone fruits, also known as drupes, are a group of seasonal fruits with a fleshy exterior and a stone, or pit, on the inside. They include peaches, nectarines, plums, cherries, and apricots. Stone fruits are low GI, low calorie, and rich in nutrients like vitamins C and A, which make them great for people trying to lose weight. For example, one medium peach 150 grams contains 58 calories, while 1 cup 130 grams of cherries provides 87 calories, and 2 small plums 120 grams or 4 apricots 140 grams have just 60 calories. Compared to unhealthy snack foods like chips or cookies, stone fruits are a more nutrient-dense, filling option. Stone fruits can be eaten fresh, chopped up in fruit salads, mixed into a hearty porridge, or even grilled or added to savory dishes like stews. 3. Passion fruit. Passion fruit, which originates in South America, grows on a beautiful, flowering vine. It has a tough outer rind, purple or yellow in color, with an edible, pulpy seed mass inside. One fruit 18 grams contains just 17 calories and is a rich source of fiber, vitamin C, vitamin A, iron, and potassium. For such a small fruit, passion fruit holds ample dietary fiber. In fact, 5 of them give 42% of the RDI for fewer than 100 calories. Fiber slows down your digestion, helping you feel fuller for longer and controlling your appetite. Additionally, passion fruit seeds provide picoetanol, a substance linked to reductions in blood pressure and improved insulin sensitivity in overweight men. However, more research is needed. For weight loss, passion fruit is best consumed whole. It can be eaten alone, used as a topping or filling for desserts, or added to drinks. 4. Kiwi fruits. Kiwi fruits are small, brown fruits with bright green or yellow flesh and tiny black seeds. Very nutrient-dense, kiwis are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin E, folate, and fiber, and have significant health benefits. In one study, 41 people with prediabetes ate 2 golden kiwis per day for 12 weeks. They experienced higher vitamin C levels, a reduction in blood pressure, and a 1.2-inch (3.1 centimeters) reduction in waist circumference. Additional studies note that kiwi can help control blood sugar, improve cholesterol, and support gut health. Kiwis have a low GI, so while they do contain sugar, it is released more slowly, resulting in smaller blood sugar spikes. Furthermore, kiwis are rich in dietary fiber. One small, peeled fruit 69 grams has over 2 grams of fiber, while the skin alone provides 1 extra gram of fiber. Diets high in fiber from fruits and vegetables have been shown to promote weight loss, increase fullness and improve gut health. Kiwi fruit is soft, sweet, and delicious when eaten raw, peeled, or unpeeled. It can also be juiced, used in salads, added to your morning cereal, or used in baked goods. 5. Melons. Melons are low in calories and have a high water content, which makes them very weight loss friendly. Just 1 cup 150 to 160 grams of melon, such as honeydew or watermelon, provides a modest 46 to 61 calories. Though low in calories, melons are rich in fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and lycopene. Moreover, consuming fruits with high water content may help you shed extra weight. However, watermelon does have a high GI, so portion control is important. Melons can be enjoyed fresh, cubed, or boiled to liven up a fruit salad. They are also easily blended into fruit smoothies or frozen into fruit popsicles. So, these are the top 5 best fruits for weight loss. The fruit is an essential part of a healthy diet, and may aid in weight loss. Most fruits are low in calories while high in nutrients and fiber, which can boost your fullness. Keep in mind that it's best to eat fruits whole rather than juiced. What's more, simply eating fruit is not the key to weight loss. You should also strive for a healthy, whole foods-based diet alongside physical activity. Thank you for watching.